Hello, welcome back to Galvic's YouTube channel. If you sell to customers in Indiana, then let's see if you need to actually collect sales tax or not. Let's get started. So, firstly, simply put, Sales Tax Nexus is a connection that you have with the state and your business that makes you obligated to start collecting sales tax. To know if you have this connection with the state or not, you need to understand the concept of nexus. And two here, which is physical nexus or an economic nexus. If you have a physical presence in the state, which is if you have an office, a warehouse, an inventory, employees working for you, or if you participate in any temporary sales events, then you will likely be triggering the physical nexus, and then you need to start collecting sales tax. Which is after registering with your state. If you don't have any of this, and if you're a remote seller, then your nexus will be purely based on sales volume and number of transactions. And that will be the concept of economic nexus. And how would you know if you have this economic nexus or not? Now, the state of Indiana has specific economic nexus thresholds, which is rules. If your sales exceeds $100,000 in the previous or current business year, which is your reference period, if that, or if you have 200 separate transactions, then you will be qualified to have an economic nexus, and you will need to start collecting taxes by registering with the state. Now, the biggest confusion for businesses is to figure out what is calculated for the threshold. Now, let me simplify that for you. First thing, are marketplace sales excluded from the economic threshold? So, for Indiana, they're actually excluded, yes. So, all the sales that you make on Amazon, Etsy, Walmart Marketplace, eBay, or any of those platforms, you do not need to calculate those in your threshold. Now, are wholesale or resale transactions excluded from the economic threshold? The answer is no, they are not excluded. They are in fact included. So you need to have all of these calculations with you, and these will be calculated towards your economic nexus threshold calculations. Now, the next one is another where people get really confused is, are non-taxable or exempt sales excluded from the economic threshold? So they are not excluded. They are in fact included in the calculations. So if you do cross the threshold after all of that, then you will have to register for Indiana Sales Tax Certificate at the InTime portal. And if you need a guidance on how to do this, you have a visual walkthrough by us at Gavix on YouTube. You can check that out for free. And if you need someone to help you with all of this, simplify it, and you want to save time, then you can, of course, take our help. We have a very simplified Nexus tracker that will tell you all of these things, that will show you where you have Nexus and where you're approaching. So this is pretty useful. And if you need someone to take care of your sales tax end to end, then we at Gavix, of course, offer that. So you can check us out at gavix.com. For anything else and what kind of videos you want to see, let us know. We'll be happy to help you out. Like, share, comment, and let me know what else you need from these videos. And yeah, take care.